Welcome to Entrepreneur Diaries Part 3. If you are a first-time viewer, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on some interesting videos on business and life in general. My name is Ephraim Zenzo Dube and I am the CEO of Christianity Tours and Fusion Company.
Today we are going to be talking about 15 important things for anyone who wants to be an entrepreneur. Firstly, you need to be self-motivated. Bear in mind that all experts you see today were once beginners. Have confidence in yourself, in what you are doing. See yourself at the finish line right from the beginning. Number 2, love what you do. This will give you the enthusiasm and tenacity to keep going when different challenges come. It will help you to get up, dust yourself, and move forward every time you fall. Number 3, do a self-assessment. Know your strengths and weaknesses. Capitalize on your strengths. Number 4, be time efficient. Know how to manage your time. This improves and increases productivity. Number 5, solve a problem. Also, your solution has to either be more effective, faster, or cheaper to beat the present competition. Number 6, save. Starting a business is like planting a fruit tree. You need to invest time and money for months or even years without expecting anything. However, when the startup blossoms, it makes all the patience and hard work worthwhile. Number 7, learn how to sell. You need to be able to market your products or services, give people a reason to buy your goods or use your services. Number 8, work for an entrepreneur. Work for someone who is at a pioneering stage. This will help you to get physical exposure of how it is actually done. Number 9, network. Build relationships. Get contacts. You never know who is looking for your goods or services, or who will introduce you to your biggest client. Number 10, research and be thorough. Get to know everything there is to know about the business you want to pioneer and learn fast. Know the ins and outs of the business you are getting into. Number 11, get used to working extra hours or overtime in your current job, even if you are not being paid for it. Get to work before everyone, leave after everyone, as a way of preparing yourself for the extra work that comes with entrepreneurship. Number 12, brand yourself. Build an audience or create a following, be it in your workspace, in your community, or in the different social media apps. These are generally people who are interested in what you are offering, and some will be your first customers. Number 13, take good risks in your current job. Volunteer to meet targets or deadlines others won't volunteer for. Get used to risk taking, as this is the daily bread of an entrepreneur. Remember, an entrepreneur bites more than he can chew, hoping he will quickly learn how to chew it. When you step into your business, remember, it's not every risk that pays. Hence, take calculated risks. Number 14, learn how to manage your business finances. Poor financial management can lead to the demise and bankruptcy of a business. Number 15, If possible, get a mentor, someone who will reprimand you and hold you accountable if need be, preferably someone with experience in the industry you wish to venture into.